Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. If you have really thick hair but you want straight hair, it can be so tricky. So having a really good flat iron like this one from usmooth will solve all of your problems. This flat iron has a 1.5-inch plate and it really quickly and easily heats up and straightens my really thick hair. I love the ergonomic handle that prevents you from going too close to the plates thanks to the little bumps up top here, and it makes it really easy to hold on to and to straighten the hair. My favorite part about this straight iron is the ergonomic cord. So this cord, no matter how you're straightening your hair, will not get jammed. You don't have to worry about it not pulling or just really being difficult and hard to use, but rather that cord swivels so easily. I can really get into straightening my hair and not worry about where the cord is. The cord is also extra long, so that's a big help as well, and it works so well with that automatic and easy twisting cord. If you're looking for salon quality, you will definitely find it in this flat iron. It does just as good a job as when I go to the hairdresser. It makes me a lot less lazy about straightening my hair, knowing that it's going to be really simple and easy to do right at home. You will love this flat iron as well if you give it a try. And that's just my point of view.